Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the JDiag OBD car engine code diagnostic tool with battery test on top. Oh, this is nice. This is the first thing you're going to do if you have some failure codes inside your computer electronic parts of your automotive. OBD2 Reader can work on most 2000 US based, 2000 European Union and Asian based EOBD gasoline cars and newer OBD2 and CAN domestic or import petrol vehicles such as SUV, crossovers, Sedan, SUVs, trucks with 12 voltage power. Take care, 12, not 24. This is important. 16-pin OBD interface. You do not need any battery. It will get power from vehicle battery when plugged into your OBD interface. The device menu and user manual will give a guide to you. Easy operate for beginners and masters. New battery test function detected car battery condition. Built-in DTCs library explain the fault code directly. Easily determine the cause of checking the engine light. OBD2 code reader can quickly read and detect engine trouble codes. Retrieve generic P0, P2, P3 and UO. Manufacturer specifics P1, P3 and U1 codes. Display IM monitor readiness status, view freeze frames and read live data as well. Equipped with 2.4 inches large LCD display which has wide backlight and contrast adjustment. This OBD scanner supports English, Spanish, French, Russian, German and so many more languages. And it is easy to use, and it can work with so many protocols like the ISO 23 and O, the ISO 15765, the ISO 9141, SAEJ 1850, and so many others. So it is easy. Reads live data, stream it, PIOD more than 130 pieces, retrieves vehicle informations, VIN, CIN, and CVM, dispatch monitor, and IMM readiness status. This is for the emissions. Able to read panning codes, stored codes, and freeze codes. Easy determines the cause of the malfunction indicator light. Turns off malfunctions indicator lights, MIE clears codes and reset the monitors. Built-in DTC lockup function. And you only have to plug it in and then go to the menus and get the codes. Read it and after that delete it by only some buttons you have to push. The buttons there are up and down, escape and enter. Enter on the right side, escape on the left side, on the bottom side. Easy to use, nice and easy. And this is the first thing you are going to do if your car has some failures. And it's so easy to use. Built-in one-click INM readiness function for quick state emissions reading, check and drive cycles verification and live data. You can have live data if your engine's still running, and then you can read what is going on with your engine and with your electronic parts of your vehicle. It is made for all kind of cars which are with OBD2 ports, and this is the most time is after 2000 and younger. Good and easy, nice. And it is cheap, really cheap. It is a cheap product, and this does not will give you some failure information, but the failure information you will get are the right information, and you can delete them. And after this, you're ready to go back. For example, GMC, Car G, Porsche, BMW, Bentley, Kia, Lotus, Fiat, VW, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, Ford, and so many other car types. And I tested it on Audi, and it is easy to use and nice, and it is small. That means you can wear it in your pocket and then use it if you are going to need it. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.